Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. As you know, yesterday, August 1st, was the release of the new dies for Scrapdiva Designs. It was the August 2024 release, and I previously had a video showing you the dies. Today, I have a project share for you, and this one is using the, it's called the 3D Embellishment Book. And I was hoping to get this done sooner for you, but we have been welcoming our new grandson into the world and celebrating. So I'm a little late to the party, but that's okay. We're super excited. He's adorable, of course, and nice and healthy, and so is Mom. So let's go ahead and look at the die. So this is a 3D embellishment book. And I will do an embellishment book for you. I did not do it for this project, but I will do it to show you how to put it together. I am also going to be working on a tutorial for the project that I'm going to share with you, and it'll be a detailed tutorial so that you can actually put one of these together yourself. So what you get is a cover for your embellishment book. This is the cover and the back cover, and then you get a stitched piece to cut on your designer paper to decorate it. And this is your spine, so you get the spine that attaches to this portion of the book, and then you get these three pieces to decorate the spine. You get the words and the background that says "Made with Love." You actually get 4 each of 3 size flowers. So this is the large, this is the small, and these are the medium. Plus you get the leaves that go behind it. And I did make some flowers. I will have a tutorial for this. I think these flowers are beautiful. And these are the ones I made for my project. I had a couple extra. This part holds your embellishments, and I will show you how to make this book in another video. And then you get the pieces to cut designer paper to decorate that piece. And I think that is it, that I covered all the pieces that you get. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 pieces. Let me see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, yeah, that's 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Yeah, what I said, 28, 29 pieces. Oh boy. So the embellishment book is going to measure 5 3/4 inches wide by 6 inches long. So this would be, this goes like this. So yeah, it's 5 3 by 6 inches long. And your spine is 3 inches. So it's a good size book. All right, so since I've gone over this part, let's go ahead and pull in the project. And before I do that, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider watching? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your comments and support. So this is my embellishment book, and I actually used it to make a mini album. And like I said, I will be having a detailed tutorial on how to put this together. When you have dies that will create a mini album, it goes together pretty quickly. The paper that I used for this is an older paper pad that I had adored when it came out. It's called Pumpkin Vines, and it's by Recollections. And you can see it has a lot of blue in it, and grays, and neutrals in it. So I made my cover with a blue pumpkin on it to match the pumpkins. Here are the flowers from the flower dies that you get. And also this grateful die is from the new release of Scrapdiva Designs that I put on top of my pumpkin. And you can see how pretty your spine is with the 3 layers of dies on that. And of course, that's the back of my book. So like I said, I will have a detailed video or tutorial on how to do this. So we're going to open it up, and on the inside, you can see how pretty this paper is. I just have a little pocket with a couple tags in it. Really simple. I did not want to cover this pretty paper. So I have some different dies in my stash. I did not buy any new dies to make this. This is all older stuff that I've had in my stash for a while. So you can see I coordinated a white, an orange, and a blue pumpkin to match my paper. And I used some dies in my stash that are this shape to make a pocket. And this is a cut apart in the paper. And then this opens up, and we have another little pocket inside. And these are also from the cut aparts in the paper collection. And you can see I made another little pocket with that little die set. And let's see if we can get it back in here now. All right, so it takes quite a bit of time to put this together when you do all the die cutting. So you have plenty of places for pictures here. You could put pictures on these, little pictures on here, and then they have lines so that you can journal on it. So it's really cute. Then this opens like this for pictures. And then this was a cut apart. So was this, and I made a little pocket with it. You could put a picture on back of there and put more pictures in this little pocket. Then we go to this part, and I did create a little pocket with some of the paper, and I just cut half a die to make this pretty little pocket here. And here is a tag. So as you can see, the paper has a lot of blue, white, and orange pumpkins. So I kind of did the orange pumpkin on the tag. And then this opens like this. And then you got plenty of room for pictures. Like I said, I didn't want to cover any of that. You could put a picture right there, and that would be beautiful. And then this also has pockets. And I will show you how to make your pockets when I have my tutorial. Here's a little truck, a little fall truck I made. Here's one of the flowers from the die set here. This, thankful, I forgot to mention, is also a Scrapdiva Design die release for August. And then this just opens like this. Here's another die little pocket I made. And then this was pretty big. It says fall is calling. So I just cut the pumpkin out to use it as a tag to put a picture on it. And then this also is a cut apart in the set. It says autumn is my favorite season. So I kind of like that little pumpkin like that. And then I had an extra piece for my pocket, so I just put it in there. I didn't want to throw it out. It was a little bit, I think it was a little bit off in size, so I just stuck it in that pocket. And here you can see I have another little tag in there. Then we'll go over to this side, and this opens like this. And this was a little cut apart that I made a pocket out of. And then I just stuck these cut aparts in here. And then on this side, we have just a little die cut. And then you open this up, and I have a little pumpkin pie on a pumpkin. I had a pumpkin die that I used to make a little pocket, and then I made these cute little tags with the little gold leaf and the pumpkin on it. Very, very festive. I love the pumpkin pie. I didn't make it a shaker, I just left it plain, but it could have been a shaker. And then I have this tag in here. On this side, this comes apart like this. And you got plenty of room to put pictures here. And oh, look it, I forgot that. Did I get this one? Yep. I'll have to fix this one. But as you can see, I just made a little die cut here to have that closed, and I made this pumpkin to match this pumpkin on this pocket, and I just used some dies in my stash and cut it down to make a pocket here. And I have a cute little owl in a pumpkin on this tag, fits right in here. And then this opens up, and this was too pretty to cover anything, so I just stickled it up to make it look pretty. And then this opens like this, and I have another little pocket that has a fall truck with some apples and pumpkins and some corn on the cob. And I made these cute little tags to fit into this pocket. And you can see that this has plenty of room for pictures. So it opens like this and then like this. And we'll go all through that in the tutorial. And then I have a tag in there. And then this is the last page. And I left this pretty simple. I just have these little pieces that open up like this that are magnetic. And this one opens up like that, magnetic. So you can put pictures in the background. And you can also put pictures here. So that is my embellishment book mini album. Like I said, I will come back with a detailed tutorial on how to put this together. I'll be working on that this week, or I should say this weekend. And I hope you like that. So that is it for today. I will also come back with a tutorial for these little flowers. And we did have another flower release, and I will come back with a tutorial for that as well. But I really like these. These are really pretty fall flowers. So thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you so very much. And until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.